I just want to do a short video to show you pretty much the top of the land and my meditation area. So I'm not done, but I went through and trimmed back a good trail. So you won't get lost, because you very well could your first time up here. See, I'm not done because the cactus right here, I'm not gonna destroy. I'm just gonna move it somewhere. And it is very peaceful up here, being in a small city with not too much noise pollution. Still some, not too much. That's what I did in my first few videos. Not gonna go through the entire area because that would take longer than I feel like being up here today. But here, I'll take you to this back area first. I don't know if you can see the fence line, but it's way back there. I found a deer trail here and I just widened it with an edger. Might make the deer happy, might upset them. This would be a good hanging out area, nice and shady. Take you down to another spot. This is just a little bit of it. This is where I'm shooting my videos from now on. Can't really see the whole thing in the video, but as you can tell, I'm surrounded by nature, which makes it a really good sanctuary. But there's where I sit, and that's where I put the camera. Let's go to another spot. There's another deer trail. Almost stepped on a cactus. You gotta be careful up here. This spot I'm not gonna mow. But I know the deer come up here a lot because when I bike back, I see them run in this direction. But that's about all I'll walk today. Hope you enjoyed the little short nature hike.